Well, hello everyone. I wanted to let you know we've got an exciting guest coming up on next Monday's live stream, Monday, June 24th. We have the one, the only Clever Coin. That's right, folks. Clever Coin is going to be joining Mr. and Mrs. TV on our live stream Monday night at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And we're really excited about having them. You know, Clever Coin just hit 1,000 subs. He had a great live stream the other night with some awesome giveaways. A lot of people contributed as well, and what a fun time we had. So if you haven't seen that, why don't you go back and look at the video, watch the live stream he had, because it was pretty cool. Everybody had a great time. And so Clever Coin's going to join us again Monday night, June 24th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We hope you guys can join us because we'll have some giveaways and we'll get to know Clever Coin a little bit better. Hope to see you Monday night. Take care, and always remember, let's keep talking Bullion.